Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to start your own online store with zero coding? In this video, I will show you how to set up a Shopify store step by step, perfect for beginners in 2025. Let's dive in. First of all, go to shopify.com and start free trial. Enter your email, password, and surname. Answer a few basic questions and your dashboard will be ready. Then log into your account with your login credentials. Just click login. From your dashboard, click the products tab from left sidebar. Then click add product from the right side corner, or you can import your CSV file from your desktop. And follow the process, or add a product manually. Enter a title, description, price, and upload product images. You can also manage inventory and shipping. Then click Save when you are done. Now, go to Online Store from the dashboard. Then click Themes. You can use the free down theme or explore others in the theme store. Scroll down and choose one from here. Then click Customize to adjust fonts, colors, layout, and homepage banners using the drag and drop editor. Next, add key pages. Go to online store. Wait a minute. Then here, click pages. Then click create template. Name it like about us, contact, FAQ. Then select contact. Then create template. Then link them in navigation, then main menu so customers can access them. To accept payments, go to settings. Now click the payments tab. Enable Shopify payments for credit cards and PayPal. For fast checkout, follow prompts to verify your business information. From here, click shipping and delivery. Set your shipping zones. Click general shipping rates. Then choose your location or add a new shipping zone. Then click done. You can also add local delivery or pickup if needed. In settings, click checkout. Choose how customers check out. Enable express checkout options like Shop Pay and decide if accounts are optional or required. Want your own domain like yourbrand.com? Go to settings and select the domains tab from here. To buy one through Shopify or connect a domain you already own, click buy new domain, search for your shop name like my store, then enter. Shopify will give you like some like that, like mystore.com. Then click buy and follow the payment process. You can payment uh, you can add payment method from here. Add a credit card, number, and follow the process. Or you can add existing domain from here. Click connect existing domain and enter your existing domain here and follow the process. Once everything looks good, go to online store, then preferences, and disable the password with PK plan to launch your store publicly. Now your Shopify store is live. Now let's talk about Shopify pros and cons. Pros of Shopify store setup. User-friendly interface, no coding skills needed. Anyone can set up a store with drag and drop tools all in one platform. Hosting, security, payment, checkout, and all handled for you. Beautiful themes, professional mobile responsive templates, free and paid that make your store look polished, app integrations, access to thousands of apps for marketing, dropshipping, email SEO, etc. Secure and reliable, built-in SSL, secure checkout and 24-hour and 7 days support. Cons of Shopify store setup. Monthly cost starts at $39 per month plus ad costs and transaction fees if not using Shopify payments. Customization limitations. Deeper design changes require coding or hiring a developer. App dependency. Many features require third-party apps which can add to costs. Transaction fees. If you use external payment gateways like PayPal only, extra fees apply. Learning curve for advanced features. While setup is easy, mastering features like analytics, automation, or upselling takes time. And that's how you set up your Shopify store from scratch. If this guide was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Have a question? Drop in drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.